Let's all recreate Jordan from Artisan's video. It's just so thick and big and long and so not bendy. Can you tell what it is yet? Hey!
Just watch out, it's in the water on you.
Don't work, mate. Yo! Nick, Adam's back. You have a nice Christmas, Adam?
Yeah.
Yeah, Santa gave you everything you wanted, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, got your pink unicorn, yeah?
Yeah.
Sweet, cool.
I got a workshop.
Got a new workshop, yeah. We've just been to do a job, but unfortunately it was for estate agents, the extractor fan. They wanted an extractor fan and we turned up, there was one there. So being honest, we rang up and said, you know, there's one there, what do you want us to do with it? It still works. And we just said leave it, so we got brownie points for being truthful. She said, oh, you know, if some of the sparks would have changed that over. I was like, not us, not us, Adam. Anyway, so now we've got half a day because we've got some stuff to do this afternoon. I've got the rest of the tray work that we're going to extend across here, drop a socket down, bring it across, drop a socket down. I bought 3 lengths, so we'll see how much we get out of it. I'm also going to do my tray work for the lighting fees. So set the laser up, very simple as before, but I've learned some lessons. So thanks to all the people that said I only had to do it, you know, 1,200 apart for the feet, and I ended up doing it 500, which was a lot of feet. But like I say, wasn't used to doing it. So what I'm going to do now, I've cut this tray already, this one, 2 sides, put the laser up, marked out here where I'm going to angle grind the edges off, so I'll slip behind. But what I'm going to do first is bolt the feet on, hold it in place, and I can mark the feet out in the right positions.
Yeah.
Oh.
Have you done this as well, the bend at the end? Like
No, they come pre-formed like that. Adam's on about where it bends out at the end. So you can see that.
Oh yeah, that one's like it as well.
Yeah.
Is that so it slides into the groove? Or?
To be honest with you, I don't quite know. I'm not sure if it's there to let the other bit slide in, or it's just an opening for cables to go on. I don't know. Let us know below what's the opening for, because I don't know. But I'm going to leave it up there. So we're going to get a couple of them done, get the tray work done. I've made my tap bin now, so that's, I need to get all the stuff from my house. And yeah, we're painting the floor bit by bit, section, you can see the joint there, section by section, and then we're going to do one little whitewash over the top to get it finished. Cheers, T-boy.
T-boy?
You little T.
Called that.
You little T-boy. I don't know, it might have been a long time since I've said this, but we went to, you were only working with us, sorry, 2 minutes please. We were only working, you must have been with me, what, 2 months?
In about...
Yes.
Yeah.
So there was myself, a plasterer, a builder, a carpenter,
Plumber.
and a plumber, and Adam. And the old guy we worked for went round and said, do you want a tea? Yeah. Coffee? Yeah. Tea? Yeah. Coffee. And then we all went up to Adam and went, would you like lemonade? So, and then that was funny, and then we went back as well, and then he offered him a glass of milk next time. It was absolutely brilliant, so thank you, sir.
Yeah, some cookies.
And some cookies, yes. So yeah, obviously you've probably seen the video from the studio layout. Stuff's changing all the time. It's just, none of this is staying here. That's going to stay the same. I still need to plumb the tap in. I've realised if you buy a really cheap sink as well, yeah, if you buy a really cheap sink, don't put your finger down the plug hole to start with, because it's razor sharp, isn't it, Adam? Yeah. And you get all sliced. So yeah, we've got loads of stuff to do today. I've got about 6 deliveries coming from Amazon. One's going to be the cable stripper, I think. Then I've got soundproofing, and then I've bought another microphone for the podcasting. Just, yeah, a stupid amount of stuff really. But we'll have this, get a bit warm because it's still freezing cold in here, and start cutting some metal and get Adam to do a few cuts. Ready?
Yeah.
So then everyone, when they all come here, will be able to see it, and I'll write on it. I'll spray it red and go, Adam did this. Well, you should be better than me because you've done it at college recently.
Not recently.
More recent than my 9 years ago.
Yeah. Yeah, college is different,
Yeah, true. True, and you have to use a hacksaw.
Yeah. So, by the time you one.
If I'd done one, I could have done that.
Yeah.
But also as well, what I said about the stepping of the distances, as much as I want to keep that as uniformed across, I'm not going to. I'm going to do them wider. I was pointless me putting that many brackets on the wall, and I don't have that many left, to be honest.
For one cable.
That's all I've got left. And obviously I want to do 2 drops as well, so that's 2, that's 4. Brilliant. Got these 3 feet left. Well, I've got the first one made up. Slice the end off, 2 feet on it. Same here. Oh, upside down, if you take the end off there, Adam screwed the feet on. So I'll brace it up in a minute, we'll get the steps out. I get Adam to foot me because the floor's gonna be a little bit slicker. I've got some rubber matting that I might stick it on as well. We'll get them up, slot that in place, make that a bit neater, and move across this side. Adam, you stop, keeps drinking tea. Right, I forgot to record this bit, sorry. So that's gone up. I think that looks loads better. It's just had a bolt through the bottom bit to secure it in. We've got the files, my dad's old file set, so we filed some of that. Filed all the edges off everything. So yeah, 2 feet, just plenty. Or 2 sheets, just plenty. Do you remember the old Bounty out? It wasn't Bounty, yeah, Plenty. We went from Bounty to Plenty, do you remember? You're too young, whatever.
Andrex outfit or something.
No, it's like kitchen towels, like, yeah.
Like toilet paper or something.
No. 2 sheets does not do plenty for you. Disgusting. Best tip. Joel, Adam's got lots of what you got: washers, screws, plugs.
Yeah, get them all ready so you don't.
So we've got that set up, but the good thing about these lights, obviously I can just turn them off individually from the remote, which makes the laser stand out. A lot of people ask me, and I've had a few emails that I've replied to, the Bosch laser. This Bosch laser is the GCL 2-15G. I'll put a link below, link to Amazon so you can have a look at it. It was about 200 quid when it had.
Yeah.
It's banging. I mean, if you saw the video of me putting these lights up, I had it here and it was hitting the back wall over there, like, perfectly. So I'll set the ladder up again. That one's up now. I'm going to leave that one for now because the cross members on the scaffolding, I'm taking the cross members down, which are these ones coming across, because I've got the brackets. So once I do that, we've got the tray already made up, but I'm not taking all that down now to put the ladder up. So moving across, under the laser out. Oh, it's just gone flat. Got another socket going here and then another socket just here next to the broom. Going to bring this straight across, do a T straight across, and then we're just going to bring a 90 down as well. I've got 3.5 lengths of tray, which should be plenty. Just going to bring another socket there and then a socket that I can plug my chop saw into. So it's going to help out. So I'll stick it on the side and we'll do a bit of a time lapse.
Right, so we have bolted these together. Put this big long piece up, which is in the time lapse. Time lapse. Just put the bolts together to secure that, so that's nice and tight. Next, cut this out, put the legs on. Just gotta put it into place, measure it up, and adjust some molds, put some plugs in for fasten it to that, and then we'll cable tie the cable to it into the boxes, and then we'll come up here, get another length of tray out of that connector, I think we call it.
Then measure it perfectly to do 1 length of tray. What are you saying, Anna?
Yeah.
Up and across for 90.
90 bend in.
With no flange.
No flange. Oh no! Oh no! What are we gonna do?
For 1 cable.
Oh dear! Oh dear!
Oh, he's hoovering. You missed the hoovering, mate. Yeah. You were doing it at home for your mum over Christmas. I hope you have. There we go, there we go, there we go. Our 90's done. I'm just gonna get some files out because I couldn't get a cut end on here. We've raised the socket up because we realised that the chop saw would have hit it with it going back. So that's been lifted up. Gonna get some file this, get that screw back, and then you can have a play with the height of cable. You've not seen it? Well, you've seen it on the wall, but you've not stripped it.
No, we used it at the Bundy outside, small stuff.
That's it. Yeah, you did. Yeah. Right, we've drilled them out now. He's got his impact. Someone said to me the other day as well, why have you got a 12 amp and an impact? What we
can?
Because we can, Adam. That is the attitude I like. And all the other ones are flat.
Go big or go round.
That's what Mum said.
Yeah.
I'm just putting the final bolts in the joint. That is square, we've measured it out. So you obviously can see the height difference between that socket and that socket. Yeah, happy with that. After this will be all tray work finished, other than that little one up there for the lighting. So that's what we have to do with the laser. To whack it across. I'll put a link to this this ladder, this nice laser level pole on the description below. You're welcome. Right, so now we've got that up, we're going to use the high chuff cable. So this is 4mm 3-core. So the purpose I got the 4mm. I mean, I would have done a ring if I could. The only reason I got 4-core was because I needed this before Christmas to start this, and the only wholesaler only had 4-core. Hence the 32 on 4mm. Not 4-core, 3mm.
4mm 3-core.
That's it, 4mm 3-core. So that's what we're doing. So what we do with the cable runner, even though this is like a little one for domestic, you pull that off. And just grab the other side of that, mate. There you go. Pop that on there. Lovely jubbly. Now pull that out. You can see how easy that is.
It's not actually that heavy, is it? It's not really armored strong.
Yeah. So we'll just get the first drop done down, and then we'll just do the return back down to the socket, and then we'll turn the power off. I did actually film quite a lot of us doing that, but you didn't. The camera was on the side, time lapse and everything, and it went flat. Hey, that's where we're at. We stripped it back, nice and neat, nice and square. What we're going to do now is, I've had a delivery. You know, in the last video, the video before, was the cable stripping machine. That's arrived. Mother Asha sent me a picture and said, have you ordered me a coffin? I'll put the picture up here, it's quite funny actually. So we're going to pick that, going to get the tap from my house, put it in the bin. We've got loads of stuff turned up. I don't actually know what's turned up. I think stuff with a podcast table and that sort of stuff. So yeah, we're back in a minute with loads of stuff, hopefully. Go off your phone please, I saw you.
You always do that.
Right, we're going to open the door, we're back. We've got all my tack cable from home and my machine stripper thingy, so we'll have a look at that, but we'll leave that to another video of using it, but we can open it up at least. It's exciting, isn't it? It's exciting. Aren't you excited, Adam?
Yeah.
So excited.
That's right, actually, honestly, the 16mm.
Yeah, and the armoured and everything.
Can I do 16mm?
I think so.
Yeah.
It's meant to do like huge cable. I like keeping old fuse boards. Got a collection, I'll show you one day. Oh, we should, hey everyone, let's all recreate Jordan from Artisan's video. It's just so thick and big and long and so not bendy. Can you tell what it is yet? Hey! Right, so the purpose of the wheelie tub, the wheelie tap tub, was so that it could be pulled through, filled through, and I'm going to make a hooker machine of some sort maybe to then attach the stripping machine to it. But if you want to see how I made this, an amazing contraption, I'll put a link below, or I'll put it on the screen as a link here. To view it, you're welcome. Yeah. So this is what I've been doing because I don't have any place to keep it. Is an old ton bag. So now we're going up in the world. Up, up and away! So that's not half bad. That's pretty full. Probably should have made it bigger. All spare armoured, some armoured, and then this is the lead sheath rewire that we did, if you can remember. A bag of it there.
I got beaten on it.
Yeah, well, I've got stung, sorry, bitten by a dragonfly, wasn't it? As you wanted to say. Right, let's go and get the thing out. Do you want to go and get the box, mate?
Yeah.
Sure.
Get one on.
Yeah. Let's watch this. This is a very heavy box. Ooh. New microphones.
Oh, he's got it!
We have it. What's it? Unboxing therapy.
Yeah.
Where's my Stanley knife? Oh, he's here.
That's actually a guy, isn't it?
Yeah. nearly hit me in the face. Actually, it's the first time ever that I'm going to need a crowbar to open a box. It's like a proper American crate. Right, let's go for it. Can't find the jimmy bar, so we've got old chisels. Oh, how easy was that? I was aiming for like a good half hour trying to get into it.
Where is it?
So,
No, of course.
Adam, lie on that. Should we pick it out? Should we just open the box up? I'm going to keep this box. It's a cool box. Sorry?
Steve.
Yeah, try that, dude. Yeah, sound.
Feels heavy like that, doesn't it? Probably.
Jesus. So that's what we got, guys. First look, because I haven't seen it yet. I think that's the wrong way. How cool is that, Adam?
Oh, yeah, that's cool. I can see in it as well.
Put your fingers in that. I was going to say something else, but not appropriate for this channel, Adam. Not at all.
Big enough,
I tell you what. Oh dear, oh dear. Right, yeah, that's cool as hell. So I've got an instruction book to read, maybe, and figure that out, and then this is going to have to be bolted down the sides of this. I might have to make another wheelie thing. Yes, love wheelie things. And but the plan is, because this is a stripper, not a. So this should just score the cables, which will then allow us to peel the copper out, and then a plan. Then we could use this. Cut the copper to length, cut it down, make a box full of literally the same measurement of. That came out backwards. Cut the copper down so it all fits in one trough as bright copper, and then leave that stored and obviously go tack yard like that. But obviously, this is going to be a separate video. Watch out for that. It'll be on the main channel. Go and check out the video to making that and my other channel. I'll link it all below. And yeah, hopefully when you see myself or Adam using that, we will have all our digits still. Fingers, mate. That's what a digit is. And yeah, so anyway, thanks for watching and see you all soon.
Bye.
Bye. Yes. Can do it again now. It's weird if I did it by myself.
No, we should make a new one for the other channel.
What?
I don't know, sort of random. Like,
to the Batcave!